This is the minimized, stylish caption style you've been seeing everywhere. In whatever niche you're in, you need to reach or even more, beat the value your competitor delivers on if you want to be pushed by the algorithm. It all starts by selecting the font. The font speaks before your message. That is why entertaining videos and professional ones uses different fonts. For the purpose of this video, I suggest you to use Arial Bold, Impact, Interbold or Montserrat.
First, go to text, add your text, just like this. Then, making this kind of caption is to, I will choose my caption, Montserrat, for this time. Then, I will put it on bold. Then, I just have to reduce the scale like this. Then, okay, good. This is just a model for me to be able to match it when I will start working. I'll just copy it. I start by the first word making. I put it on the right location. Then I will do some work on it. I press shift then forward button 3 times. It will move to almost 18 frames. Okay, then I can start working. I'll just put a point here and another one here. Good. Now I'm ready to change it a little bit. Turn opacity to 0 and the location, change it, reduce 100. We'll have 47 only. Then you can see how it will look like. You will see that smooth move. Yes, that is what we're looking for. Then go to animation, look for blur. This one, yes. Alt and K button to open this. Or I can also do a right click and go to the Y and I just change to case what is, and I push this a little bit. Then I have a smooth move. Good. Now I can close it like this. Okay, and I'll just add some shadow, a white one, because I'm on a black screen, and I'll change the opacity a little bit, 25, yes. Blurriness on 10. Distance, I maybe leave it like this, but just add 10. This one's 33 by the way, 23 I know, and this one maybe minus 17. No, that's not what I'm looking for. I will just play with it a little bit and I'll see how it looks like. Good, I like this. Okay, you can go ahead and just copy this. I press on the checkpoint and I put it at the right place. Good, yeah, it's good. Now I come back to this first one and I change some thing on the location and the scale. Location, I will put the same one like this frame. I put 202 and 156. Okay, 202, 202. Okay, 156. Let me just take a look. Okay, I just pull up my calculator. Okay, I have to put it there, minus 53. I just remove 100 on the original location. Yes, just to get this result that you can see. And I just repeat the same process on every word. I will skip this part for you not to get bored.